fuck. Here we go. Hello there. Yes, this guy right here is me. So recently I have gotten my hands on a 2018 Plarail Edward. And well, let's go see it together. Yeah. Ah, fuck. So the engine itself is pretty good. I kind of like how it looks though. Oh man, I do have some slight but not really upsetting comments about this. I don't know if y'all could see it, but he does have cracks along his running board. But that's probably to support the motor. And if you can tell through all the photos, yeah, the running board on the side took some damage. Now, plans for this thing. I'm not going to be using this as my official Edward. As much as I wish I would want to use this as my Edward, I do want to buy the original 2002. Yeah, that one more than the 2018 one. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this. Bye-bye.